Are you rethinking your production strategies? Are you looking for hassle-free ways to improve productivity? Do you want to save cost, time and enhance workflow efficiency? Then automation is the key. Automation has reshaped the world of packaging industry. With consumer demands and competition on the rise, your enterprise needs automation to stay ahead in the run. Meet the top-of-the-line Munky packaging machines manufacturer, Shekharson Technologies, always ahead in innovation and technology.
Namaskar, my name is Shekhar and I am the founder of Shekharson Technologies LLP, India's most trusted brand for Munky brand of pouch packing machines. Our journey into manufacturing started in the early 1970s by my father, late Shri Shashank Shekhar. That is the time when we ventured the first time into manufacturing. It was a very humble beginning where we had to face a lot of challenges. There were very small steps, but my father's hard work paid off. My tryst with packing machines started 15 years back when we established the Munky brand, under which we started manufacturing automatic pouch packing machines. Following my father's footsteps, we have worked very hard to build and design some of the finest packing machines over the past decade. More than 10 years of dedication and innovation has gone into setting up Munky's world-class manufacturing facility. Here we just have one aim: to deliver finest quality products to our customers. And this is done by using the finest quality of raw materials that are thoroughly inspected and tested by our team. Product development has been always our greatest strength. And Munky Packing Machines is the first Indian company to hold patent rights, which makes our work unique. And our customers reap the benefit of our indigenously developed technology. Also, at our dedicated R&D lab, we do intensive research on new challenges and provide innovative solutions to ever-changing clients' requirements. A packing machine is a symphony of mechanics, electronics, and embedded software. We, over the years, have tuned it to perfection. Every machine goes through rigorous tests and checks with your product to ensure its smooth operation and high efficiency rate before delivery. We design, manufacture, and install different packing machines to suit our customers' application. The filling systems range from linear wares to volumetric cup fillers to auger fillers. These systems are used for packing and dosing products like tea, coffee, coffee beans, rice, pulses, sugar, snack foods, vermicelli, chips and more, in different weight ranges and multiple pouch formats. From small tabletop solutions for entry-level applications to large corporates with high-speed applications, Munky designs and manufactures as per your needs. We feel proud of our ever-growing community of happy customers and their success stories. Their transformational journey of technological advancement and growth is the proof of a job well done. Moreover, our indigenously produced Munky packing machines are not just famous in India, but are globally recognized. Our client base covers parts of Europe, Africa, and Australia too. Munky machines are easy to operate, economical, and have low maintenance cost. We also give a 1-year warranty, which means a high return on investment for our customers. A good entrepreneur knows a good investment when he sees one. Grab this opportunity to invest in a great future and lifetime growth. One hassle-free solution to a better production. Package a successful future with Munky Packing Machines.